Misery. Yebo, siqedile. Siqedile. It's clean. Everything is packed. Everything is where it's packed where it belongs. This one doesn't fit in the toolbox. I have to get another toolbox for my electrical tools. Put it here. Yeah, that was it. Finito. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you for joining the toolbox tour. I'll see you guys back on my channel again next time. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And thank you to every new subscriber who just joined my channel. We're currently on 2,134 subscribers. Give yourselves a round of applause for that. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club, fellow New World Builder. Welcome. By subscribing to my channel, you must know you are subscribing to doing something positive, be it mental, be it physical, be it in a literate way, but doing something positive at least every day of your life. Just do something building, something that benefits somebody, something that will last forever. You know, it can be anything. You can give, you can ka kukisa makobo dipampiri or di-grocery, o ka tlhatswetsa makikoloi, anything, just anything beautiful. Just do that. You can paint your mom's house. You can build your mom a 4-room, a 10-room. You can wash your dad's car. You can buy your girlfriend a present. You can buy your shoes. You can buy your son some shoes. Whatever it is, a positive. Just do it. Kapelo epila. And we do by subscribing to my channel. You are basically subscribing to building a new world. That's why the name of my channel is New World Buildings. You are subscribing to build a new world. Ka whichever and whatever step you would say a positive. And so the end goal is positivity. The end goal is fruition. The end goal is heaven, the beauty of everyone reaching their dreams. That's the end goal. Living your dreams. That's the end goal. Living peacefully, harmoniously with people around you. That's the end goal. That's what it means. Oh, subscriber to my channel. You believe in positive things. You love beautiful things. you want beautiful things, and you also contribute in